Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system for the 2015 through 2022 and possibly beyond Chevrolet Trax with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the baseline towers set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the baseline pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar in order to attach certain accessories for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track which accommodates the tower, and there are numbers alongside that track, and those numbers are referenced in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct positioning of each tower on the bar. Now the tower itself, it has multiple adjustments in order to get a very custom fit to the vehicle. Let's take a look at those adjustments. They're accessed underneath the cover. To take off the cover, we'll just squeeze the upper portion, hinge down, and pull that off. So first, underneath this hatch here, we get access to the fastener that holds this tower to the bar. It also allows for a pitch adjustment, which is the angle of the bar. That way it can accommodate for the sloping roof line. There is another fastener here, which is the toe adjustment, and that will adjust the clip and pad assembly. And I'll demonstrate that using the tool that's provided with the tower. Let me loosen that up, and then you can see it has 3 adjustments, and those adjustments will give you a very contoured fit to the roof line. Now the tool is unique in that when you tighten it, it will click, and that indicates that you've tightened it completely. So now we can go ahead and close that hatch. Here on the inside, we've got another fastener here, an adjustment that will, when tightened, will bring this clip inward against the door frame. And then underneath this cover, we have another fastener that will pull the clip against the door frame. The clip itself is strong steel with a black powder coat finish. There is a rubber pad on the inside to protect the finish of the vehicle and provide grip. And then the base pad here, the base pad pivots and comes in a variety of shapes to match the shape of your roof. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place here, and that just snaps back on. You'll notice here we have a plastic plug, and that plug can be replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. These cores are sold separately in match sets, so that you can have all 4 of your covers locked with the same key number. And that can be extended to other Yakima same key system carriers and accessories. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima Baseline JetStream roof rack system. This product, along with the full line of Yakima products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.